Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have 10 packages to share with you guys today. Today's entry is number 53, and this is coming from our very own Miss Alondra. Yes, girl. I got it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and check you off here. All right. It says, thank you for being my friend. That's so cute. And it says, happy birthday. So pretty. She colored that, guys. That's a stamp. So cute, Alondra. Thank you so very much. Yes, girl. I appreciate all your beautiful creations. But this is her entry. Look at that. The Little Mermaid ribbon. That is gorgeous, and it has purples and blues, and she colored her little seashell, guys. Look at that. I love coloring. You guys are so talented with the coloring and the shading and all the beautifulness. I still have yet to master that part. But here we go. This is looking gorgeous. Open, do not throw away. Ooh, this is very specific. Let's open this one first. Let's see. Alondra, you have been such an amazing friend here. I would love to one day meet you in person. You've been so supportive and so generous with all your creations. I'm trying to ignore that I can see that beautiful Memory Decks card, so I'm going to cover that right there. Look at this. What? Oh my God. I'm sorry I said that. It's my name. So she stamped the shells. So the bubbles and the shells are stamped images, and then she watercolored them. And then on top of the watercolor, she stamped my name, well, the letters in my name, and it says Eileen, and it's embossed, guys. I don't know if you could tell from this view. So beautiful. Alondra, look, this is what I'm saying, guys. She is so crazy talented, and she does not, she's very modest, and I've tried to show her that she is so talented. Everything that she has ever sent me, always so gorgeous and so clean. Girl, I would have some hot glue strings running up and down this beautiful little banner. It's so gorgeous. My goodness, that is beautiful. And she gave me a freaking sequin mix, yes, with some dewdrops. Look, guys, I finally said it right. The dewdrops, they're in there with beautiful purple shades and some black and silver holographic sequins in there. This is gorgeous, Alondra. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to scrapbook all of this, document all of this that you guys have. Oh my gosh, was that supposed to come out? There's some gorgeous, oh yes, look at, she gave me some of her images that she colored and stamped. And this is a shaker. Is that also coming out? Let me see. Is that, oh yeah. Oh, look at that. She got 2020. She got the little purple mermaids. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see her tail. Their tails are super glittery. Oh my gosh, I love this. And it's a shaker. So beautiful. And she has some acetate balloons right here. That's so cute, like bubbles under the water. So cute. Oh my God, I love this. Oh my, like everything. I'm just like trying to absorb everything, guys. So she also stamped and embossed, heat embossed the birthday. This is a happy die cut with the background. So pretty. I'm so in love with this clamshell. I don't know if it's a die or if it's your Cricut. I'm not sure. And then she has some starfish all around and some clams and bubbles. I love the bubbles. She has, some of the bubbles have sequins and then some have the glossy accents. Oh my gosh, Alondra, just beautiful, girl. All of this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, love. So she forgot to put her info, but her info for Instagram is on here, and it's at Alondra_Avera, Avera. You guys go check out her Instagram because that's where she shares a lot of her beautiful creations. She does have YouTube, but she doesn't post videos, guys. So if you really want to see what she comes up with, go find her on Instagram at Alondra_Avera, and I will put her info in the description box too. So Alondra, thank you so much, girly. This is so gorgeous. I love it. Are you kidding me? I love this. She was so concerned I wasn't gonna like it. I love it. You're right, girl. I don't like it. I love it. So go check her out, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.